Most falls at home don't happen because someone is weak. They happen because there's nothing stable nearby to hold on to. This small grab handle can instantly give someone a secure place to steady themselves. So let me show you how. Hi, I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder at AskSAMIE, where we help make everyday tasks safer and easier using occupational therapy approved tools. Okay, I think everybody's pretty well aware of a grab bar, right? They're silver, they're big, they're round, and they are great for most situations, but sometimes they take up too much space in the area and you still need a strong place to hold on to. So I really like a grab handle for putting inside of doorways or in small spaces where you need a good hold on. So if you imagine this being a doorway, instead of grabbing our hand here, which you can notice if you see grease marks or dirt around that spot, that's the place where people are already putting their hands. But instead, if you're able to screw this handle inside here or outside here, it blends in well, but it's also out there enough that it gives you a firm place to hold on to. So the places to put this are pretty much endless. Doorways are one of the main places that I like for them to go, close to the bed, and any other place where we're already putting our hands, but a full-on 16 or 32-inch grab bar is not helpful, but this little baby is. Tools like this grab handle are simple, but they can make a huge difference in confidence and safety at home. When people have something stable to hold on to, they move more and with less fear of falling. And if you want to add quick support in a bathroom or a doorway, you can find this grab handle right at AskSAMIE.com. And if this was super helpful, then save it and share it with somebody who could use a little extra stability at home.